Let's dive right in. Imagine your business is thriving locally, but you dream of going global. The world, though, is complex. Finding partners, handling payments, and navigating paperwork can be overwhelming. That's where the GCV Industry Alliance comes in, a dynamic global network built to connect real businesses across continents. It's not an old-school business club. It's a trusted engine for international trade, breaking down barriers for small and medium-sized companies. The Alliance empowers businesses to collaborate confidently, whether you're a furniture maker in Vietnam or a tech startup in Thailand. It's about building lasting relationships, fostering innovation, and creating a fair, accessible global marketplace. Every member is vetted, ensuring trust and a level playing field for all. The GCV Industry Alliance is your passport to global markets, providing the tools, connections, and trust you need to grow. It's about unlocking your business's true potential, no matter where you're based. So, how does this network actually come together? It's built from the ground up, one business at a time, with real people making real connections. The GCV Industry Alliance uses a decentralized approach. Power and knowledge are spread worldwide, rooted in local communities. Local registered businesses are the backbone manufacturers, service providers, retailers, and innovators. By bringing these businesses together, the Alliance weaves a global web of commerce. Each new member strengthens the network, creating opportunities for collaboration and growth. It's like building a bridge. Solid local foundations support a global superhighway for trade. Connections between businesses, like a designer finding a supplier or a developer meeting a marketer, make the network stronger. This grassroots method ensures organic, sustainable growth that adapts to local needs. The result? A resilient living ecosystem for global commerce, growing more valuable with every new member. It's a worldwide team effort, built for lasting impact. Who connects local talent to global opportunity? Enter the GCV Envoy, a unique role for passionate, well-connected leaders. We're seeking individuals ready to pioneer this movement in their countries, acting as the bridge between local businesses and the global market. Envoys are respected, driven, and deeply rooted in their business communities. They're the trusted face of the Alliance, guiding companies into the ecosystem and championing their growth. Imagine helping a local artisan land their first international deal, or a factory expand and create jobs. With full training and support, envoys become catalysts for national economic growth. If you're ready to make a real difference, this is your call to action. Being a GCV Envoy isn't just a title, it's a hands-on mission. Your core job drive GCV adoption by meeting business owners and showing them real benefits. From new customers to smoother logistics, Envoys build and nurture local networks, organizing events and fostering collaboration among members. They're the glue that unites businesses, turning competitors into partners. Envoys also help streamline supply chains, connecting companies with reliable logistics and solving cross-border challenges. They're problem solvers, mentors, and strategic partners, helping businesses grow and innovate. The ultimate goal? Boosting exports, creating jobs, and strengthening the local economy. It's a challenging role, but the impact is immense. If you want to see your community thrive, this is the job for you. Does the GCV Industry Alliance work? Absolutely. Just look at the results. In Vietnam, a small bamboo furniture maker connected with European hotels, filling order books and creating jobs. In Thailand, a tech startup landed a major partnership in Dubai, expanding into new markets. In the Arab region, date farmers found premium buyers in Asia and Africa, securing higher incomes for hundreds of families. Across Africa, Talented designers use the GCV platform to reach global fashion houses, preserving culture and building sustainable businesses. These aren't isolated wins. They're proof that the alliance bridges gaps and unlocks global potential. Every connection made is a step toward prosperity. The GCV network is already changing lives and communities. Imagine what's possible as more businesses join. These stories are just the beginning. Let's meet the official GCV envoys leading the charge. In Vietnam, Mr. Nguyen Van Thuan leverages decades of trade experience to help local businesses reach global markets. Thailand's Ms. Siriporn Mayadun connects tech startups with international partners, driving innovation and growth. In the Arab region, Mr. Khalid Al-Fahim links producers with buyers worldwide, ensuring trust and reliability in every deal. Across Africa, Mrs. Adewale Adebayo empowers SMEs, especially women-led enterprises, turning local talent into global success. Each envoy is carefully selected, rigorously trained, and dedicated to your success. They're your trusted partners for joining the GCV Industry Alliance. Always work with these certified envoys for a secure experience. Their expertise and networks are your gateway to the world. With them, you're in safe hands. A quick but crucial warning: only work with official GCV envoys. Unofficial representatives may promise shortcuts, but they put your business at risk. The alliance is built on trust. Every certified envoy and transaction is vetted for security and reliability. Engaging with unauthorized individuals can lead to scams, bad advice, or worse. Always verify envoy credentials on our official website before sharing information or making payments. Our certified envoy list is public and up to date. Protect your business. Stick with the official crew. That's how you ensure a safe, successful journey with GCV. Now, it's about you, the entrepreneur ready to go global. The GCV Industry Alliance is your invitation to join a worldwide team, not just watch from the sidelines. If you're ambitious and want your business to reach new markets, connect with your country's official envoy. They'll guide you through registration and help you tap into a network of trusted partners. Every deal you make boosts your business and your country's economy, creating jobs, bringing in foreign currency, and raising your nation's profile. You become an ambassador for your country's quality and innovation. Whether you join as a business or step up as an envoy, you're building something bigger than yourself. This is your chance to make a real impact. Don't wait, get started, and help shape the future of global trade. Let's build this network together, one business at a time. As we wrap up, remember, the GCV Industry Alliance is more than a network. It's a movement for global unity and opportunity. Every business that joins, every envoy who connects, is building a more prosperous, interconnected world. This is about practical action, breaking barriers, creating jobs, and fostering innovation. The future is built by those who participate, and your energy drives this vision forward. The Alliance provides the blueprint, but you bring it to life. Together, we can ensure every business, anywhere, has a fair shot at global success. Let's act, build, and create a legacy of unity and shared prosperity. The adventure starts now. Join us.